Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize the PDFs in Obsidian. So first of all, you need to open your Obsidian application on your desktop. Then simply open the vault where you want to store your PDFs. Now over here, hover over to the top and click on the option of new folder. When you see this type of folder option available in front of you, you need to give it a name. So you can just simply give it a name as docs or PDF. So after giving it a name, when the folders or the folder is basically created, you just have to simply click on the gear icon right next to the vault name. After the settings option open in front of you, you just have to look for the option that says files and links. Now over here, you need to find the default location for the new attachments, and here you need to choose the in the folder specific below. So simply just click on the option and you just have to select the option of in the folder specified below. So here you need to simply set the new PDFs folder as an attachment location, and this makes newly added PDFs automatically go into that particular folder. So in order to add a PDF, you can just simply drag and drop it into the Obsidian notes, and Obsidian is going to save the file into the default attachment folder and create a link to it in the notes as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.